Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd with UFO, Ulnar Floyd Outdoors, Ulnar Lawn Care. Hey, we're gonna start that over because I don't know how I want to do my new intro anymore. So, two things I want to share with you. We're gonna work on a new intro. I changed my channel name to UFO for Ulnar Floyd Outdoors because I wanted to get into I wanted to make a channel that covers more than just lawn care. You know, I do a lot of stuff that isn't lawn care related, and I just want to share all that with you. So that's why we're going with UFO. We're trying it out right now. Yeah, I might get some people who are not in the lawn care business, a couple of those you know, they're out there kind of people, but that's okay because I kind of like that stuff anyway. But that's why the name changed. Second, and the main reason why I'm posting this little video is doing the new name change. I was thinking about Mowers for Vets, and I created its own channel. So now there's a YouTube channel called Mowers for Vets. So go check that out, subscribe to it, like it, share it. Let's get the word out there. The videos that are on there, right now there's the one video, the first mower giveaway. I'm gonna upload the second mower giveaway and the third mower giveaway here soon. Might be tonight still. It may be tomorrow, I don't know. But I'm gonna get them uploaded there. All the videos that I've already created and have on this channel, I'm gonna put up there. Now, there's not gonna be a lot of content right now. 3 to 4 videos will be on Mowers for Vet channel right now. But as we get stuff and do stuff, we will upload it there. That's where you'll find it, and that's where we'll get the updates and stuff like that, new fundraisers, all that through the Mowers for Vet YouTube channel. So I just want to get this out there to get it out to you guys so you guys can go check out that channel. All right, and we'll work on the intros for the Ulnar Lawn Care page, this page, or UFO. I don't know, I kind of like Hey Alien Nation, but I don't know if that's taken or not. I don't know if people are doing that. You know, might get rid of the lawn dog thing. I don't know. Still early, but we'll see. All right. Either way, we're gonna get out of here. I just wanted to share that with you, and we will talk to you on the next video. See ya. Oh wait, before I forget, I'm still gonna do this. Always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. It's Floyd, I'm out.